We got to keep running. We got to keep running. Hey, in this episode, I'm going to show you small business grant opportunities for the Latino community. So that's a 5K grants for the Latino community for small business grant opportunities. Let's ramp up. And I found it over here, and it is with Google. So Google is supporting the Latino community specifically as they're kicking off Hispanic Heritage Month with a wonderful grant that is also included with here, including virtual workshops, digital coaching, online classes, step-by-step videos to help small businesses adapt, promote, and grow. And I like that. So, and that's what I help with folks as well, is helping them adapt, promote, and then grow their business. And this is how they're doing it. What you do is you scroll down here and have all the links in the description section below. So go ahead and click on the links, and it's going to guide you back to this information. And if this is helpful, just go ahead and subscribe. Say, give me a thumbs up, or say I subscribed in the comment section below. That's very helpful. Keeps me energized to keep on doing this and helping businesses adapt, promote, and grow. And so with this supporting, the Google.org is making a $3 million grant to support Hispanics in Philanthropy's PowerUp Fund, which will provide Latino-owned small businesses across California, New York, and Texas with access to capital and capacity building support to help them through economic security. So when I clicked on here, learn how to apply, it goes to this page, and this page as well is in the description section below. So make sure you check out all the links that I have there, especially some of the free resources like communitygrantloans.com that I created to help guide you through all this information available to you. So with powering up the LatinX businesses, they're giving 5,000. So you're going to have a 5K grant for those small businesses located in California, Texas, or New York with coaching support and resources. So if you need a 5K grant and you're in California, Texas, New York, if you're looking for small business funding opportunities, go ahead and check this out. And it's very simple of how to apply. So, and here's what you need to know. To be eligible to apply, business owners must be a Latino-owned and operated, self-reported. You have to be in business for a minimum of a year with at least $1 in revenue. Let me just highlight that. Have a for-profit actively in business for a minimum of a year with at least $1 in revenue. Okay. Be located in California, New York, and Texas. Be willing to dedicate 2 hours per month to training, 90% or better for attending the required training. So 90% or better attendance required. Be focused, of course, and participate in the surveys because they're going to collect the data for you if they're getting money. And then you just click apply. That's all you need to do. And then you will be able to, they'll review all of those individuals, so participants, because remember, they're only giving them to 500 are eligible Latinx small businesses for this 5K grant. So this is another opportunity for you to be able to find and to celebrate the Latino community. If you want a 5K grant and you have been in business if you made just $1 in revenue and you've been in business for at least a year, they're going to help you out. So this is directly from Google. So Google.org is providing these funds, $3 million grant, and to help businesses adapt, promote, and grow. And if you are able to get those funds, that's great. If you're not, that's where other grants are going to be able to help you, but there's resources for you. So, and you just can click on any of these resource links that are available to help your business grow because there's people there out here for you. So there's a lot of resources that are available. They provide it very clearly for you. And when you just scroll through here, and you'll see that there's Google Ads training that's available on September 16th. You can learn about ad strategies and tools for different audiences. So there's connecting with a digital coach who meet our Spanish-speaking digital coaches, So they're going to be able to walk you through exactly the kind of information that you need as a Latino business, and making sure that you're going to be provided the guidance that you need. So my name is Kendall Matthews. As a technology broker, I'm going to be able to help provide you the infrastructure to help run your business. And if you want more information, go in the description section below. You can schedule a one-on-one planning session with me of how to be able to help your business adapt, promote, and grow. And once again, there's opportunity available for those individuals who have that minority mindset. And that minority mindset is this, not just from my mentor from afar, Jaspreet Singh. Hey, there's only a few of us who think the way that we do. See, we might as well be able to hustle and help support each other. So please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and just put it in the comment section below. I subscribe. Give this a thumbs up and share with other individuals, because it helps me keep energized and making these small business grants of videos. But also what I'm going to be doing as well is showing you what to do with those grants, from a technical infrastructure, all the different software things that are available out there in the world, and showing you that there's more opportunity that you just don't even know about. My name is Kendall Matthews, and let's ramp up.